Hi guys, thank you for always stay tuned with my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a simple and easy headband, and this is very perfect for beginner, and also you can give it as a gift. So without wasting our time, let us start it.
This is the material that I use for this tutorial. I use purple red yarn with milk cotton, and also I use 3.5 mm hook here, and then I need the scissor, marker, and also needle. In this tutorial, I don't need to make chain. Left yarn or short yarn like this 20 centimeter, and then make a slip knot. Now we will work for the first row. To make first row, you need to know that this is the long yarn and this is the short yarn in below. So put it in like this. This is long yarn and this is the short yarn. Twist short yarn like this, and then hold in the corner like this, and pull your yarn through to loop like this. Okay, now put your marker in here. This is your first single crochet, and then now make next single crochet. One, we already have two single crochet. This is the third. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, this is the first row. Now we move to the next row, make one chain, and then in here, in the first stitch here, make single crochet. So bring this short yarn. Okay, now move to the next single crochet, move to the next single crochet again, move to the next single crochet. So in here you should have 12 single crochet for total. Now in the end of the stitch of the second row, in here, okay, this is the second row. You have 12 stitch. Now we work for the third row. Make a chain, turn your yarn, and then make single crochet again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Move to the another yarn. Make the same pattern, same as with the previous rows. I work for 60 rows, and if you think you need to make it more long, you can add as you want. So I will be back when I already complete my 60 rows of this rectangle. So for 60 rows here, as you can see, and now I will make triangle here and also for this side too. To work with triangle, grab your hook and then make a one chain here. After that, pull your yarn from the first stitch and then pull the second in the second stitch and make one decrease here. Now make 8 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then in the last 2 stitch here, make one decrease. So decrease with 2 loop here with 2 stitch. Pull your yarn over the 3 loops and then make one chain for the next row. Okay, in the next row, make one decrease in the first stitch and the second stitch, pull your yarn and then pull your yarn over the 3 loops here. Okay, now make 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the last 2 stitch here, make one decrease again, like this, and then make one chain, turn your yarn, and we will start for the next row. Make one decrease here, same as previous row, and then make 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now in the next 2 stitch, make one decrease again. Okay, move to the next row, make one chain and then make one decrease here. Okay, now make 2 single crochet, 1, 2. For the next 2 stitch, make one decrease here. Move to the next row, make 2 decrease here. So here, 1, 2, 1 decrease, and then move to the next stitch, the second decrease. Now move to the next row, make one decrease. So this is the triangle, as you can see here. This is the look of the triangle. Now make 45 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Keep chaining until you completed 45 chain. So this is the string after I get 45 chain, and now cut it the remaining here. You see here there is a triangle here, and we will work in this opposite side, and here that you should make. So for this rectangle you don't need to make it too long, just above your ears, because you will make triangle like this. It should be fit with your head. Just measure it with your head every time you make it. Think that you need more long of your rectangle, just put it more size here. It's more look good when you make it for your size. So let us start for this opposite side to make rectangle like this. We will make for this opposite side, we will make triangle like this. Grab your yarn and then make a chain here for the first stitch like this, and then make one decrease, and now make a single crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in the last 2 stitch, make one decrease like this. Okay, now move to the next row, make one chain, and then make one decrease. Now make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then make a decrease here. Okay, now move to the next row, make one decrease again, and now make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 decrease. Okay, move to the next, make one chain. Now make one decrease again. Okay, and now make 2 single crochet. 1, 2, make one decrease here, and then move to the next row, make one chain first, and now make 2 decrease, 1 decrease, and then the second decrease is here. Now make a chain, move to the next row, make one decrease, and then make string with 45 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep continue make chain until you get 45 chain. So this is the look of my headband after I make it. When I use this, put it in your head like this, and then bring it to the back and tie it. So this is when I use it. This is very easy tutorial to make. I hope you enjoy my video tutorial. If you like it, don't forget to hit thumb in below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.